Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 19th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the pound yen, I'm still looking at this as possibly a wave A, possibly a wave B. Now, it keeps looking like it's ending a wave B. Already this week we had a nice impulsive down, and it looked like a break of structure, then it just went right back up. And then we have another impulsive down and another possible break of structure. So the fact that it didn't close below structure, it gives me a little bit of caution. It may actually try to make another wave to the upside. I would definitely be keeping an eye on like the 1 hour time frame because on the 1 hour time frame, if we see it go up like this and then make a very significant lower high, especially if we throw a Fibonacci retracement from here to here, we see three waves up to a fib level, a nice engulfing move to the downside. Then that is exactly what I would want to see for a possible sorting opportunity. If we can identify the end of this wave B and confirm that it's over, there should be a pretty good amount of pips to the downside available. So I definitely am keeping an eye out for that. But like I said, we have to be cautious because the 4 hour time frame has definitely not confirmed a turn down. There's always a chance that it just keeps on going up. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.